We're prepping things for our fridge and freezer and making them look nice. First things first, we're gonna wash our containers. These, it's a set of 3 acrylic containers that I got from Home Goods, and they had a really good price. I want to say it was Home Goods. It was either Home Goods or Tj Maxx, but they were a good price for a set of 3. I think it was around $12 to $14. So that is where you can get those things. After washing, I'm gonna let those air dry. And while those are drying, I want to boil some dengu and beans. So that way, I usually boil them ahead of time and then put them in Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer. That way, when I'm ready to cook, I just take them out and cook them. So I'm washing the dengu. They're mung beans. So I think in English they're called mung beans. Once those are washed, I'm going to wash the pinto beans and then we will start boiling. I think the hardest part about boiling dengu is making sure that they don't overcook and explode. And I think some of mine's probably exploded, but they're still edible, so we shall continue on. So I put them into Ziplocs, and these are gonna go into the freezer. When I'm ready to cook, I just take one Ziploc bag out, cut my tomatoes, my onions, and nasa dukanga. Story finished. You're done. Okay, now on to the fun part. Okay, we're gonna make my fridge look beautiful. I have sweet potatoes in a glass bowl. Genius. I have my oranges, my kids love those tangerines, and then I have grapes and some carrots and tomatoes and yogurt. I have some yogurt in the fridge. So we are gonna organize that and some cilantro and put it all together and make things look beautiful. Oh, look at that cilantro in a glass cup with some water. That was my favorite part. But yeah, this is the fridge now.
I think it looks
It
nice.
makes me want to keep opening my fridge.
I
think it's practical. It'll be easy to keep up with it. But I do like the fact that we can see our fruits and vegetables, which I believe will make us more likely to eat them before they go bad. Let me know what you guys think or what's working for you guys. See ya!